In this video, we are reading all properties with the help of annotation configuration properties. So for that purpose, I just write some properties here: book.title, description, price, and publish. These are properties I write inside the application.properties. Now what I do, I just create one configuration to read the all properties. So for that purpose, I am creating one class. The class name is book properties is configuration. Yeah, this is the configuration name and the package name is config. Okay, so I'm going to create it. I use another annotation called component, and the next annotation is configuration properties. So I need to pass here the prefix part here basically. So what is the prefix? We have common is the book, so this is the prefix. So I want book dot title, book dot description. So the first prefix of all properties is nothing but the book, so I'm passing the book as a prefix. Okay, now after that I need a variable inside this properties. Okay, so for that purpose I need a variable. So these are the variable like title, description, price, and publish. Okay, so these are the variable. I need all these variable here, so I just do my way. So I'm creating some variable, sorry, private string title. Okay, and after that description, I need another variable called description. After that price. After that publish. I need all four variables here. So I'm little lazy, that's why I've always prefer copy pasting. Yeah, so after that, these all are properties. I just write here. Okay, so and we need to create one getter setter here, and yeah, I'm generating some getters and setter. You should use Lombok, project Lombok. It is really great project. And we are also generating two string. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to save it. So yeah, I am just closing this properties file. After that, I want to create one endpoint. Okay, I want to create endpoint book info. Okay, so I'm just again copying the same code. Okay, so copying the same code, pasting here. The endpoint is book info. Okay, so this is the endpoint we are going to hit to read the values from the properties. Okay, get book info. Get book info. After that, we need to create the instance of book properties configuration here. So I'm going to create. I need to create the instance of it. So with the help of AutoAdd, we can easily create it. AutoAdd private. It's book properties. Properties. Okay. So I need to import it. Yeah. Just import it. Okay, so what I do, I'm just creating the all information. Means I'm just getting all information here. So I'm getting the information here with the help of that book properties reference variable. So what I do, I'm getting all information like get title. After that I need a book properties dot get description. After that I need book properties dot get price, and after that we need a book properties dot get price description, get class, get title, get publish. Yeah, these all information which is present inside a properties file. So I just uh, do one thing. Yeah, I just do one thing. I just created a single string from it. So what I do, I'm just cutting it here and pasting. So I'm printing it whenever we are hitting this endpoint. Yeah, I just need to concat it all. And after that, this is the another, that is description. After that, we need price. We need price, and after that we need a publish. Okay, that's all. Okay, so what I did here, I just get all information from application.properties file and returning all that information whenever we are hitting that single endpoint. Okay, so this is the endpoint book.info. Yeah, so I am just copying this endpoint again and hitting it. So this is endpoint and this is book info. Yeah, the book name is Spring Boot by Pratik. Yeah, the it covers basic of Spring Boot and price is 50 rupees and publish is on 2020. That's how you get all information with the help of this annotation. Okay, thanks for watching.